In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download a backup file from Hostinger step by step. Whether you want to secure your website files, migrate to another host, or simply keep a copy of your data for safety, having a backup downloaded to your computer is extremely important. I'll walk you through the entire process inside the Hostinger dashboard so you can follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Click on Login at the top right corner and enter your email address and password. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land inside your Hostinger account dashboard. This is where you manage your hosting plans, domains, emails, and websites. From the main dashboard, look for the Websites section. Click on Websites to see a list of all the domains and websites connected to your hosting account. If you have multiple websites, make sure you select the correct one that you want to download the backup from. Next to your chosen website, you'll see a Dashboard button. Go ahead and click on Dashboard. This will take you into the hPanel control area for that specific website. Hostinger uses hPanel instead of cPanel, but everything is clearly organized and easy to navigate. Once you're inside the website dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and find the Files section. Under Files, click on Backups. This is where Hostinger stores your automatic and manual backups depending on your hosting plan. Most hosting plans include regular automatic backups, so you should see a list of available backup dates. Inside the backup section, you'll typically see different types of backups. There are files backups, which include your website files such as themes, plugins, images, and core files. And there are database backups, which include your website content, posts, pages, and settings if you're using a content management system like WordPress. Now choose the backup date you want to download. You'll see a list of available dates, so select the one that matches the version of your site you need. For example, if you're restoring your site from before a recent change, pick a date prior to that change. Once you've chosen the correct backup date, click on Download next to either Files Backup or Database Backup depending on what you need. If you want a full website copy, you may need to download both the Files Backup and the Database Backup separately. After you click Download, Hostinger will begin preparing the backup file. This may take a few moments depending on the size of your website. Larger websites with lots of media files can take longer to process. Once the backup is ready, the file will automatically download to your computer, usually as a compressed zip file. Go to your computer's Downloads folder and confirm that the file has been saved successfully. It's a good idea to rename the backup file with the date and website name so you can easily recognize it later. You can also store it in cloud storage like Google Drive or an external hard drive for extra safety. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a backup file from Hostinger. This is one of the most important things you can do to protect your website. Regularly downloading backups ensures that even if something goes wrong with your hosting account, your website data remains safe and accessible. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger tutorials, website management guides, and step-by-step hosting walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.